Hello everyone, just arrived here in Universal Studios Singapore and it's raining. Oh my goodness. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Mama Dar wants to take a photo. The infamous Universal Studio here in Singapore. But maulan siya guys. It's a bit maulan. But here I am. I'm happy. Praise God. So, ang daming tao. Siyempre, makikisingit tayo. Oh my gosh, ang layo na Dolores, Eastern Samar. Para puntahan to at makikisingit tayo at siya ang ating napiling mag-photographer for the day. For today. For the day. Okay, natin ang ating goal for the day. At dahil nagutom tayo, kakain muna tayo. So, of course, may baon akong eggnog. Eggnog. Not sponsored. Charot. And croissant. 7-Eleven. Kain muna tayo. Rain today.